Well, tell Mama about it. Can you tell me? What's that? No way. Can you tell your daddy? Hey, Amelia, look at Mommy. Hey, up here. Can you tell your daddy? Say, I love you, my daddy. Say, I love you. What? You're so precious. Yeah? Can you tell your daddy you turned 4 months old today? Tell him I'm 4 months old. And I rolled over for the very first time, all by myself, without Mommy's help. Yeah. What? Can you smile, pretty? Can you smile? Smile, baby. Yes. I love you. I love you, big girl. I love you. Yeah.